Time check, it's 9:30-ish p.m. And ang flight pa namin is around, ano pa, 11:30, 11:10. So, hanap muna ng pwedeng kainan. And, ayun. Excited imnida. Guys, time check, it's 9:30 p.m. And yung flight namin, yung flight namin is not until 11:45 p.m. So, ang dating namin sa Seoul, maybe around 4:30. Sana. Walang traffic. Traffic daw! Traffic din! Traffic sa ere. So, andito muna kami ngayon sa Little Flower to grab think super late dinner para pagdating sa plane, tulog na lang. Excited. This is my first time going to Seoul, and ang goal ko lang talaga sa trip na to is of course mag-enjoy, reset, peace of mind, and sana mapuntahan ko yung dalawang film location ng dalawang K-drama na favorite ko. Yun yung sa Itaewon Class and sa Goblin, yung Stonewall. And sa Itaewon Class is either the Danbam or yung parang stairs na kung saan lagi sila nag-shoot. We're wearing rich boys right now. Dire-diretso na kasi to pagdating namin ng Korea. So, so ito na yung fit natin. You finally in Korea, baby. Let's go. Kanina pinapractice ko yung ano eh. Yung halso is sa'yo. Tapos sabi sa akin, hindi niya naintindihan yung sinabi ko. Mali pala yung pronunciation ko. Ganun pala. Namali lang ako ng onting stress. Yung onting enunciate. Sabi niya, Yonggo? Sabi ko, never mind. Huwag na lang natin itry ito. English na lang tayo. Hindi ko pala binasa. Baka hazelnut ito. Baka allergic pala ako.
Your Korean coffee as well?
Okay din ma'am eh, no? Parang nasa ibang bansa. Sama nga ako sa inyo. Para may picture na magaganda. Hello Hazel. Ganda sana ng kuha dito eh, kaso every time pipicture parang ayaw ng ilaw sa'yo. Parang against all odds, man. Pero ganda. Okay, another convenience store run. What are we gonna buy? I need coffee. Okay, may nakita ako dito. Barista Rules. Parang okay to Barista Rules. Vanilla bean latte, no sugar added. Okay. This looks promising. Okay, this looks nice. This looks promising, guys. Let's see. Like, solid. Nakakatuwa rin minsan yung mga convenience stores guys dito sa Korea. Parang sarap lang nila explore isa-isa. Kasi kanina, saan ako nagaling? E-Mart. Tapos ito naman yung GS25. Tapos may mga laman yung ibang convenience store na wala yung iba. Mostly naman pumupunta agad ako doon sa coffee na section. Actually dapat sa tubig eh, pero yun. Yan. Okay. Anyway, time check. It's 10:02 AM pa lang. So sa inyo, 9:02 pa lang yan. Mahaba-haba pa ang araw, wala stress pa kami pupunta ng hotel. Lobat na tong Osmo Pocket ko, lobat na rin tong phone ko. Hindi ko alam paano makaka-survive ngayon. So, tignan na lang natin.
잊지 못해 거짓말 안 해. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. 매 순간 속에 매 감정 속에 한 장 한 장 가득 찬 쏟아지는 rain sunshine 늘 달래주다. Oh, oh, oh. Love me right now, money right now.
Kita ko ako nito, patikin.
Magkaiba nga.
Parang spicy to. Akala mo makalat pero time check, it's 1 p.m. Not gonna lie, the mood is jolly-oyo. Jolyo. Mood is jolyo. Very, very jolyo. At least guys, mission success kasi nakapag-converse tayo ng kaunti in Korean kanina. Dahil tinatanong ko yung mga allergens ko. Sabi ko, Geran isoyo? Geran isoyo? Gyeongwaryo isoyo? Hesanmol isoyo? I mean, barok siya. But it did work. So, hindi tayo na allergy. Natanong natin kung wala ba tong egg, wala ba tong nuts, wala ba tong seafood. So, that's a win. That's a win. W. Not gonna lie, the weather is nice. Breezy, hindi mainit. Pero, I mean, tirik yung araw, pero hindi siya guys mainit. Ayun o, panis. Kape contigo, yo escogí. Sa free day for sure. Ba't ba gumagalaw tong camera mo? Sa free day guys, binabalak namin ni Kuya sa pinamanifest ko may mauwi ako na pabango tsaka makapag Lotte World. At basta guys, ito apat lang ang checklist ko talaga. Una, makauwi ng pabango na Korean talaga, local brand. Pangalawa, ang gulo ng camera. Pangalawa is makapag Lotte World. Pangatlo is mapuntahan yung stone wall shooting location ng Goblin, which is 8 minutes away from our hotel sa Myeongdong. And pang-apat is mapuntang Itaewon. So mamayang gabi, plano na namin ni Kuya. Tatakas ko si Kuya. Kasama ko, Itaewon. Ayan. Basta kahit maaga matapos o hindi man maaga matapos, kung 9 or 8 matapos mga ganap, sisingit na kami ng Itaewon. Tataksi na lang namin yun. Ano ba sa Korean yung That's the right move. Jalhasso. Good call. Jalhasso. Okay, dito na kami ngayon sa hotel, dito sa Myeongdong. Pumaba na rin kami. Nagmabilisan, freshen up lang. Meron lang kami nakaschedule na dinner kasama mga syempre for work. Let's see kung saan tayo pupunta right after nun. But yung dinner namin is around katabi daw ng Han River. So, I don't know where that is, but I guess it's gonna be great first. And it's also a welcome dinner. So, 5:10 pa naman yung call time namin. May nakita ako malapit dito na Starbucks. So, tingnan natin kung makakasingit tayo. Tsaka, let's see kung may pagkakaiba ba yung Starbucks ng South Korea sa Starbucks ng Pinas. Alam mo, minsan on a random day, on a random moment, napapaisip na lang ako gaano ako napaka-thankful kay Lord. Who would imagine, dude, o-order ako ngayon ng kape sa Korea. Korea, bro. Korea. God did. Always God did. So, ito na tayo. Paano lumilihis to? Welcome to Bright. So, 안녕하세요. 영어 할 수 있어요?
영어 할 수 있냐고.
English? English. Can I have one Starbucks Dolce Latte? Ice. Tall only. Tall. Smaller pill? Don't have smaller pill. Okay. Oh, 6-1. Okay. I have one. Ooh. Nice. Hindi ganun matamis. Look guys, it's so nice here. Hello, Sir RJ. Say hi to the vlog, sir.
Hello, kumusta? Annyeonghaseyo.
Puto mushroom soup. Hey, this looks promising. really good thing na may dala akong gamot pang uric ko. Anyway, ang daming masasarap na food. Let's get... Oh, may pizza. May pizza. Oh my days. Oh my days, bro. There's grilled lamb, baby. Grilled lamb and beef. Oh my days, man. Chicken.
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it. I won't waste my time. I'll waste my time. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it. I won't waste my time. 태우고 안아줄 시간.
Kakagising ko lang, nakatulog ako sa bus, men. So ayan, pupunta na kami ng Myeongdong. Tama, Myeongdong. Okay. Sana meron yung mga gusto kong mabili doon, men. Sana... Myeongdong, don't disappoint. Come on. Palibre tayo kay kuya. Baon niya at 3 million won.
Pwede pa tayo.
Tama.
Pwede pa tayo. Isang stretch na lang muna.
Yung ating cathedral. Yun yung cathedral. Ito na. Yan na, Myeongdong.
So, malapit na. Kahit hanggang ano yan, alas uno.
Oo, galauna. Mag-phone vlog muna ako. Tapos balik na lang tayo ng vlog dito kapag may nakita na akong pwedeng bilhin. Okay, ako ano muna, ano natin? Ito yung olive yan, oh.
Ano ba eh?
Yung mga pang skincare. Oh.
Love me right now, money right now. Love me right now, money right now. I'll waste my time.
Okay guys, so I just got back from Myeongdong. Was wild. So many people and so many things to see, nakaka-overwhelm. TikToks na lang yung nagawa ko, madam. I mean, ang hirap pala kapag hawak mo yung Osmo Pocket mo tapos hawak mo yung isa pang TikTok. So, ang nagawa ko sa Myeongdong ay TikToks. But then, I'm gonna wake up early dahil pupunta ako bukas sa Doksugang. So, 5 a.m. kailangan makapag-book na ako ng taxi. Yun yung famous na Stonewall na alley dun sa K-drama na Goblin. So, ayan. I'm excited with that. I'm excited for that, guys. So, yun. Tulog na muna. It's already... Tapos ko lang tong daily vlog ko. Day in my life, kineme. It's already 11:12. So, yan. Pahinga na rin ako. Bukas ulit. Hi, guys. Good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. Buti nagising ako, man. Okay. We're gonna go dun sa shooting place ng Goblin. I will be with Ma'am Ses. So, okay, mag-book tayo agad. Hi Ma'am, good morning. Nag-vlog ako, Ma'am. Hi Ma'am Ses. Ito na guys, mag-book na kami ng taxi ni Ma'am. Download naman ako ng taxi app, Ma'am.
Oo pala, kasi wala ako dyan.
Diretso na to agad, Ma'am. Gusto niya, Ma'am, doon tayo sa may Starbucks maghintay.
Ganun dito. Yung papanood mo lang sa TV.
Kaya nga, Ma'am eh.
I fell in love with a boy in his 20s. They said we were young. They
Kumuha
might
ka pala nung ano bang tawag yun sa call center?
Yung Maribank po. Yung C-Bank. Mas mabilis, Ma'am eh.
Pag for transact mo?
Yes. Guys, we are walking dito sa shooting location ng Goblin. Yung yung time na yung time na nag-cross path sila ni Giunta. Ito yun, ito pala yun, pero itong dingding na yun to. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. At thank you, Nissan talaga.
Dating pangarap mo lang.
Oo, ma'am. Tsaka parang out of the, parang di mo naman siya may isip mapuntahan, ma'am eh. Kasi Korea yun eh. Kumbaga kung Pilipinas, parang, sige, pwede, tara, puntahan natin. OMG. Tapos may ano pa, may cherry blossom pa. Ito na siya. Ito may palace. Paikot lang siya.
These are the moments I don't wanna miss. I could get used to this. I fell in love with a man in his 80s.
Oh my God.
Each line familiar, that's
It's cold and it's beautiful, man. It's cold and it's beautiful. We're here. It's real.
I wouldn't trade any step that we take through
This
this
is the peak experience. The peak location. No tao. Oh my God. I'ma take some photos, guys. I'ma take some photos.
New adventure I don't wanna miss. Oh, I could get used to. I could get used to this.
So kahapon nagtikim lang ako nung Dolce Latte nila as in sip lang. So ngayon ganun din gagawin ko dito. Gusto ko lang talaga i-try yung mga coffee nila dito guys sa Starbucks Korea. Now we have the sweet milk coffee. Sweet, really sweet. 안녕하세요.
Teka muna, i-brief mo ko. Ano sabihin ko?
Alam naman eh. Wala nang brief yun, ma'am. Tuloy-tuloy na yun. Hawak mo na, ma'am, agad. 안녕하세요.
Yan sa'yo.
Yun! Naman tayo eh. 안녕하세요, Michi.
Ano sa'yo? Ayan sa'yo. Ayan sa akin.
안녕하세요.
Ayan sa'yo.
Yes. 안녕하세요.
Ayan sa'yo.
안녕하세요.
Ayan sa'yo.
We just landed dito sa parang port ba to? And then we are going to Nami Island, guys. Medyo antok pa ako. Kakagising ko lang. Nahihina po ang matanda. Hihina po ang matanda. Hindi gagawin mo na.
나만의 달처럼 떠오르네 별들이 가득 어둠 속에 비로소 너를 알겠어 Because of you 너 때문에
We only have 1 hour pala dito sa Nami Island. And the goal is to enjoy it as much as possible. And check ko ano man mga pwede nating makita dito sa Nami Island. Kape. Kape agad nakita ko kanina ditong gusto kong puntahan. Kape talaga.
이건 다 비밀
Parang imbes find the best view dito sa Nami Island, nagiging ano guys eh. Find the best cafe. Talagang kung may nakita akong kapihan dito, masarap. Ayun oh. Beer to. Okay, basta ang goal natin for today is to, hanggat as much as possible, maikot yung Nami Island. And then, after Nami Island, we're off to somewhere else. Nakalimutan ko sa kami dadalhin. Ang goal ko din for today is go to Itaewon tonight. So, tingnan natin if makakaya ko bang makapunta ng Itaewon. Kasi sabi ng taxi driver kanina, it's not far from our hotel. It's just 10 minutes away kapag tinaxi. Wish me luck. Pero for now, let's libot Nami Island.
눈물 나가 또 웃음 나가 Every time 다 그런 것 숨기지 못해 거짓말하네 Oh wow wow Oh wow 매 순간 속에 매 감정 속에 한 장 한 장 가득 찬 쏟아지는 rain sunshine 늘 달라주다 Oh 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 love me right now money right now love
Kasha ba to?
Sabi!
Kasi mahirap yung chicken na mailap.
Balagbagin na yan.
Replace Coke Zero. Pwede kaya?
Ay, ako lang tinatoyo sir. Nag-request
Ngayon lang ako magsa-soft drinks.
Sprite.
Ay, nagsa-soft drinks.
The sticker! We have to put the sticker!
Dito kami ngayon sa Petit France. Uphill, guys. Very, very uphill. Look how uphill.
눈물 나고 또 웃음 나고 내 Every time 그런 건내 숨기지 못해 거짓말 안해 그 순간 속에 내 감정 속에 소중한 내 그대 모든 장면도
It's very nice here, guys. Pero mas maganda sana kung mas maaga kami nakapunta dito.
You know what millennium is?
Medyo late na kasi dito eh.
What's millennium?
So on time lang namin to actually enjoy. The whole area is 20 minutes or so. So medyo bitin, but let's see what we can make use of. Let's go.
Love me right now, money right now, love me right now, money.
Sometimes when I try to speak in Korean, they don't understand because of the like the stress and pronunciation that I use.
Very difficult to
It's
find
very
someone.
technical, very technical.
It's not easy to find someone on the street
Yeah.
who speak English
Yeah.
here in Korea.
Yeah, even though if I ask them, do you speak English? They
They
just a
say,
little, super little bit,
Yeah,
a little
right.
basic.
Yeah.
So I
Even the
try to,
driver.
even the driver. But good thing there's a like auto translator on their phone.
We have app, translation app.
Yeah, I do content creation on the side because on the Philippines I do podcast. Do you know podcasters, Jen?
Podcast.
Yeah.
Oh, you created a podcast.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Shaking. You can dance. You can
Oh
dance.
my god, guys.
What is your name?
Will.
Will.
Yes.
Azalea.
Very beautiful here. How do you say very beautiful in Korean?
이쁘다.
Dipuda.
이쁘다.
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 Ipuda.
예쁘다. 예쁘다.
Yepuda.
예쁘다 is better. 예쁘다.
My topic on my podcast in the Philippines are mostly about love and what ifs. How do you say what ifs in Korean?
만약.
Manyag. So hajima manyaga.
Hypothesis, right?
It's yeah, but what
하지만
if?
but
Yeah.
what if?
Money right now, I'll waste my time.
Grabe kapal.
Ha?
Grabe kapal.
Paano na lang?
So beautiful. So beautiful, guys.
Set the table, 'cause I know that I'm running.
Dude, this is so scary, not gonna lie. What an experience. I am so scared. Ito ni Hagdan. Ito ni Hagdan, Nicole. Ito na. Ito ni Dan Bam. Oh.
Thought I'd never change my ways. Been a nomad all my days. But you shook me to my core. Now there's nothing I want more than to see you in the morning fall asleep at your side. Spend my days adoring this life. I wandered for miles all around.
Okay guys, nakapag-book na ako ng taxi. Sa wakas, makaka-uwi na ako. Kala ko di na makaka-uwi. Easy to Itaewon to. Super enjoy. Grabe, sobrang ganda guys. Pero hindi ko na in-explore kasi mag-isa lang ako. Tsaka hindi ko rin naman napupuntahan ko eh. Pero okay na to for experience. Babalik na lang tayo dito. Kasi nararamdaman ko hindi siya magiging okay kung tinuloy ko pa. Ito lang naman gusto kong puntahan eh. Danbam. Tsaka yung location kanina nung tawag dun? Itaewon. Sa Noksap yung okay na yun. Okay na ako dun. My heart is happy na. I'm good. Go Doc Nick. Easy, light work.
Okay.
Baspor. 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 Hello.
Yeah, you can get there by walking one day.
눈물 나가 또 웃음 나가 Every time 더 그런 것 숨기지 못해 거짓말하네 oh, oh, oh.
NGT Bembana. Bembana.
That's bad.
Palis. Sino si Park Shin Hye? Si Park Shin Hye. Kabog. Kabog.
Love me right now, money right now. Love me right now, money right now. Always
Hindi ako nagkakamali, hindi ko kasi napanood yung mismong K-drama, but I think dito yung record of youth. Ano ba? Ganda.
Love me right now, money right now. Love me right now, money right now.
Pinilit ko talaga makapunta ako ng Hongdae kasi parang hindi kumpleto yung full Korea experience ko kapag di ako nakapag-Hongdae guys. Kaya as much as possible tinry natin. There are a lot of things that you can find here. Parang mas budget friendly dito compared to Myeongdong, if I'm not mistaken. But same lang, both maraming tao. I mean, Myeongdong kasi andun yung mga different brands din eh. Pang shopping talaga eh. Dito, hindi naman, but mostly ayan, mga stalls, iba-ibang stalls. Yan. Daming stalls that you can find, guys. Was that a normal day in Hongdae? May dala tupa. Guys, sorry hindi ko masyadong na-vlog yung whole day ko ngayon. I tried to enjoy this last full day ko sa Korea. But, look where we are right now. This is the shooting place ng The King Eternal Monarch ni Lee Min-ho at ni Kim Go-eun. Man, we are here, bro. Is this real, man? Is this real? Guys, I'm just using my phone right now. Di ko nadala yung DJI ko sa sobrang pagmamadali ko. But look where we are right now. For the fans of the K-drama startup, you know where this is, man. Ito yung shooting location ng startup. Come on, Team Good Boy. Yan na siya, man. Iba na lang yung kulay niya, pero yan na siya, boss. Super nice. Ili pinunta ko dito, mag-fit check do sa tapat. Ay! There she is. Here we go. Oh, there. Wrong way tayo. Come on, baby. Let's go. Uuwi na mga uni.